Good evening, Melrose. This is Mayor Paul Brodeur. According to yesterday's release of statewide COVID-19 municipal case data, Melrose has had 216 confirmed cases since the beginning of the pandemic. Unfortunately, the total number of deaths statewide has surpassed 6,000. As you know, phase one of the statewide Safer at Home advisory has gone into effect. Next week, as part of the phase one rollout, there will be expanded access to haircuts and salons, as well as curbside delivery at many retail establishments. There are very strict rules governing these phase one reopenings, and you can learn more about them at the state's reopening website with the link provided. The Safer at Home guidance does still direct residents to continue staying at home, except for healthcare, essential errands, and other activities permitted under the phase one guidelines. All residents should continue physical distancing, frequent hand washing, and wearing face coverings whenever they leave home and are around other people. Now, I want to provide an update on food insecurity. A recent report from the Greater Boston Food Bank shows that the number of households they served in April was up 69% compared to a year ago, and that the number of children they served is up 81%. Help is available, and I encourage anyone who's experiencing food insecurity to contact Project Bread for resources, including assistance with applying for SNAP benefits. You can use the link provided to get in touch with them. Now, locally, Melrose Helps continues to get food to those who need it. In the last week, Melrose Helps purchased $2,000 in groceries that were either delivered to those in need by volunteers or provided to our outstanding partner, a Servant's Heart food pantry, for drive-by pickup by families in need. That resource continues to be available to all in Melrose who need it, be it food insecurity or other economic challenges you might be facing, whether related to the pandemic or not. Simply email melrosehelps@cityofmelrose.org or call 781-979-4191 to seek assistance. Finally, as you probably know by now, Melrose will not be holding its traditional Memorial Day parade. However, Karen Burke, our Veteran Services Officer, and Lisa Lord of the Melrose Veterans Memory Project have prepared several tributes and remembrances that will honor our fallen as best we can under the circumstances. I will provide more details tomorrow, but you can learn many details by visiting the city's website with specific reference to Memorial Day observances. Please take a moment over the next several days and remember, reflect on the sacrifice of the men and women who we lost in service to our country, as well as the family members they left behind. And remember, as always, that together we will get through this. Thank you and have a good night.